Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Today I will show you my internship project called Food Genie. It is a food ordering app that uses AI, artificial intelligence, to make ordering food online much easier and better. Coming to my project overview. First, let's talk about what Food Genie is. It is not just a regular food delivery app. It uses AI to learn what kind of food you like and gives you personal recommendations. It makes finding and ordering food fast, simple, and smart, like smart recommendations based on browsing patterns, seamless ordering workflow, and real time delivery tracking powered by predictive analytics. Coming to my goals of internship. During my internship, I had a few goals. Learn how to build a complete web application from start to finish. I learned how to connect AI features to real app. Learn how to make user login and online payment safe and secure. Improve my coding and teamwork skills to build something useful. I also mastered RESTful API to integrate project requirements. To build Food Genie, I divide the project into basic parts. Users and restaurants. Users can create profile and restaurants can manage their menus. AI features. The app suggests meals you might like. Orders and payments. Users can add food to a cart, pay safely and track their orders. Admin panel. A dashboard to control and see everything on the platform. Coming to my architecture and design. This slide shows how app works behind the scenes. We have front end, back end, and a database. The front end, we used React.js, is what the screen uses on the is what the user sees on the screen. The backend server, a Node.js and Express, handles the main business logic and security. Database, database used for storing all the information about the users and food. Like we used MongoDB for non-SQL, no SQL stories. What is full stack development? Full stack development means building both parts of a website, front end and back end. Front end is the face of the app. It is everything the user sees, clicks, and interacts within the browser. And backend is the engine under the hood. It handles the database security and keeps the website running safely. What is mern? I used a popular group of technologies called the mern stack: MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. MongoDB. MongoDB is a flexible database to store food menus. Express.js. Express.js is a framework to build server pathways quickly. React.js. It's a library to build beautiful and fast screens. And Node.js. This let us um, run server code using the JavaScript. Using the mern stack development, I built this whole project. The advantages of flexibility, performance. Coming to my implementation details. Implementation, how I built this whole app. Front end. For front end, I used React and Tailwind CSS because it gives us beautiful UI and responsive UI. It looks great on phones and computers. For authentication, I use JWT and Bicrypt password hashing to protect user passwords. And AI integration, Python-based recommendation engine integrated via REST APIs. And deployment, I deployed it using Vercel for front-end hosting and MongoDB Atlas for cloud database. Thank you. To sum up, FoodGenie shows how we can use modern technology and AI to make fast ordering smarter and faster. I learned a lot of real world coding skills during this.
This is my website where you can see restaurants. Let me search for Haridram restaurant. Let me click. And I have 9 restaurants in total. Let us see the menu of this restaurant. We have many recipes: fish finger, chicken 65, etc. And we can also see review summary. Let us see another restaurant summary. KFC. We can see summary here. You can review summary. Let us see the recipes. Pani puri, dahi vada, etc. and add to cart. First we need to log in with some email ID and password. Let me log in with some email ID. And then password. And log in to the page. If you are a new user, you need to register for it. Name, email, password. You can confirm your password, phone number, and you can choose avatar. I have already registered, so let me go to the login page again and log in. Okay, and let me add some recipes to the cart. Add to cart. Let me check in the cart. We have total 3 items, and you can change the quantity. So let us confirm the order. Give your phone number. And then you can pay. You have multiple options. You can pay by card, or else we have different payment methods to pay. Successfully your order has been placed. Now check your orders. You can view your orders and delivery info. And then you can also go to your profile, and then you can edit your profile. You can also view your orders. You can see in your MongoDB if you can review your full page. You can modify it in MongoDB, or you can delete it. You can add restaurants if you need. You can also add the recipes. Drinks, etc. If you want to furtherly add any food item, you can add like this. You can add image URL. This is usually based upon the admin's dashboard. Only admins can do changes. And I'm going to add food items. You can modify it. through your MongoDB. Now search for your favorite restaurants. This is fully working website. You can change the role to admin or user, and you can do any changes in it. You can also add some filters of if you want only pure veg or pure non-veg. If you forgot password, you can reset the password. This is all about my website, and thank you for giving this opportunity. And this was presented by Sahithi.